Hello students, welcome to your science class. I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. So, as you all know, we have completed part 1 of this chapter in our last class. So, today we will read part 2 of this chapter. Chapter 4, Clothes are Protectors. Okay dear students, now tell me, do you know how are clothes made? क्या आप सब जानते हैं क्लोथ्स कैसे बनते हैं? Yes, clothes are made from various types of cloth material or fabrics. जो क्लोथ्स होते हैं वो डिफरेंट टाइप के क्लोथ मटेरियल्स और फैब्रिक्स का यूज़ करके बनाए जाते हैं. द फैब्रिक्स आर मेड बाय वीविंग द फाइबर्स. और फैब्रिक्स को कैसे बनाया जाता है? फाइबर्स को वीव करके, फाइबर्स को बुनकर हम फैब्रिक्स को बनाते हैं. Okay, fibers are long and fine thread. What are fibers? They are long and fine thread. पतले और लंबे लंबे धागों को fibers बोलते हैं. So there are two types of fibers. First is natural fiber and the second is synthetic fiber. Natural fibers. These fibers are obtained from natural sources like plants and animals. जो natural fiber होते हैं वो हमको कैसे obtain होते हैं? Through natural sources. What are the natural sources to obtain the fibers? That are plants and animals. Okay. So the three examples of natural fibers are cotton, wool and silk. As you can see in this picture, we get cotton from cotton plant. We get wool from sheep. And we get silk from silkworm. Okay, my dear students. Now come to the second type of fiber, which is synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers are made from chemicals by humans and these are also called human made fibers. जो synthetic fiber होते हैं उनको कौन बनाता है? They are made by humans. They use chemicals to make these types of fibers. Okay, so that's why we can also call them human made fibers. Okay. What is the other name for synthetic fiber? Human made fibers. The examples of synthetic fibers are nylon, polyester and rayon. Okay. The clothes made up of synthetic fibers are generally wrinkle free. Some are waterproof and some dry very quickly. Synthetic fibers are stronger than the natural fibers. स्टूडेंट्स, जो क्लोथ होते हैं सिंथेटिक फाइबर से बनते हैं मोस्टली उनमें रिंकल नहीं पड़ते. दे आर रिंकल फ्री. रिंकल फ्री मतलब सलवटें नहीं पड़ती हैं. कुछ वाटर प्रूफ होते हैं एंड सम ड्राई वेरी क्विकली. और कुछ कपड़े इस टाइप के होते हैं सिंथेटिक फाइबर से जो क्लोथ्स हम बनाते हैं जो बहुत जल्दी सूख जाते हैं. ठीक है, दे ड्राई वेरी quickly. Synthetic fiber are stronger than the natural fiber. In the comparison of natural fibers, synthetic fiber is more stronger. Okay, I hope this point is clear to you. Now here are the example of four type of synthetic fiber. First is nylon, second is rayon, third is polyester and third is terraline. Okay. Do you know, students, leather and fur coats are made from the skin of animals? They are worn in very cold places. Students, as you know, we made some coats with the leather and fur. Okay, and these where does the fur come from? The leather and fur come from the skin of animals. They are worn in very cold places. We wear these type of coats in a very cold places because the coat which are made from leather and fur of animal skin, which can keep us warm for a long time. In the comparison of woolen clothes, they can keep our body more warm. Okay, so that's why they are worn in a very cold places. Now the next point is care of clothes. As you all have so many clothes, so you have to take care of your clothes also. So how can you take care of your clothes? We can keep our clothes in good condition by taking proper care of them. अगर हम अपने क्लोथ्स की प्रॉपर केयर करें तो हम उनको अच्छी कंडीशन में रख सकते हैं. वी कैन कीप दैम इन अ गुड कंडीशन फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम. We can take care of our clothes in the following ways. How can we take care of our clothes? First point, we should always use a good quality soap and detergent. यानी जब भी आप अपने क्लोथ्स को वॉश करें, you will always use a good quality soap and detergent powder. We should wash, dry and iron the clothes properly. Always after every wash, make them dry properly and after then iron the clothes properly to keep them safe for a long time. We should wash woolen clothes with liquid detergents made specially for woolen clothes. Okay, तो जब भी आप woolen clothes को wash करें, you will use special type of liquid detergents which are made specially for the woolen clothes. The one example is Easy. You know na, when we wash woolen clothes, mama put some liquid detergent like Easy. तो वो जो होता है, जो वुलन फाइबर वूल होती है, उसको एकदम उसके जो उसके अंदर जो भी थ्रेड्स हैं उनको एकदम सेफ रखना है, जिससे वो जल्दी ख़राब नहीं होते. वी शुड गिव डेलिकेट एक्सपेंसिव वुलन एंड सिल्क क्लोथ्स फॉर ड्राई क्लीनिंग. यानी कुछ कपड़े जो बहुत नाजुक होते हैं, बहुत एक्सपेंसिव होते हैं. डेलिकेट होता है नाजुक, एक्सपेंसिव होता है वेरी कॉस्टली. सो डेलिकेट एंड एक्सपेंसिव जो आपके वुलन क्लोथ्स हैं या सिल्क क्लोथ्स हैं, यू कैन गिव देम टू दीज क्लोथ्स फॉर ड्राई क्लीनिंग. ठीक है, घर में वॉश करने के बजाय वी कैन गिव दैम फॉर ड्राई क्लीनिंग. सो द लास्ट पॉइंट इज वी शुड रैप सिल्क इन वुलन क्लोथ्स इन अ कॉटन क्लोथ. यानी जब भी आप अपने वुलन क्लोथ्स को संभाल के रख रहे हैं, एट दैट टाइम या सिल्क क्लोथ्स को आप पैक करके रख रहे हैं, यू कैन कीप कवर दैम इन अ कॉटन क्लोथ्स. यू कैन रैप योर सिल्क इन वुलन क्लोथ्स इन अ कॉटन क्लोथ एंड देन स्टोर दैम with dried neem leaves or naphthalene balls to protect them from insect like moth and silverfish. You can see in this picture also, these are naphthalene balls and these are neem leaves. Whenever you keep your woolen clothes for a long time, you can put some naphthalene balls or neem leaves in between them, so they will be protected from moth and silverfish. These insects destroy our clothes. You have to use naphthalene balls and neem leaves to care them. So your today's homework is to read the chapter 4 fully from your book and try to understand the meaning of this chapter yourself. I hope I have cleared you the meaning of this chapter. So thank you and have a nice day.